Hey guys, and welcome back. This is Safe, and today I'm going to explain the concept of crypto arbitrage and how you can actually make money with it. So let's get started. Crypto arbitrage is the fact or the concept through which you can buy a cryptocurrency from a specific website or a specific location, then you can sell this same cryptocurrency with a higher price and hence achieving and accomplishing a profit margin. Crypto arbitrage has many types. The most common three types are simple arbitrage, triangular arbitrage, and convergent arbitrage. I will explain each one of these three types, then I will show you how you can actually make money with both simple and convergent arbitrage. Triangular arbitrage is somehow advanced, so it's out of the scope of this tutorial because it's just for beginners tutorial. So now let's go and explain the first type, which is simple arbitrage. Simple arbitrage is the fact through which you can buy a cryptocurrency from a specific store or a specific website, then buy the same cryptocurrency at the same time, but to a website through which it's sold with a higher price. So actually there is no time gap here. You are buying and selling at the same time. However, you are buying from a website which offers it for low price, and then you sell it at the same time, but in another website that actually sell it or buy it from you with higher price. The second type is the triangle arbitrage, which is the fact that you are actually converting your own cryptocurrency into three types and hence achieving margin. Since it will be difficult to discuss this topic or this type of arbitrage with cryptocurrency, I just uploaded an image for you by the actual currencies that we deal with on daily basis, so that the concept or the idea is well understood. So let's say you have $2. If you decided to convert your own currency between dollars and euro and pound in anti-clockwise manner, you will see that you will achieve margin. How is that? Let's say you have $2 and you want to buy euro, and let's suppose that dollars are equal to euro in this concept for simplification. So now by buying euros you have 2 euros because a dollar equal to a euro. Now we want to buy pounds by 2 euros, which will make actually 2 divided by 0.4. Then you will be able to buy 5 pounds. So here you will need to buy dollars by these 5 pounds you've got. So I will now divide by this to conversion rate, and here you will find that you actually have $2.5. So you started with $2 and ended with $2.5, which achieved a $0.5 more profit margin for you. So for every $2 you actually make about 25% of what you own. So let's say you have $1,000 and you decided to do this triangle arbitrage, you will find out that you will actually achieve a profit margin of $250, which means 25% profit margin. The third type is conversion arbitrage, which is actually like stock markets. You are buying a cryptocurrency, then you just wait for it to or you buy it when it's at its lowest price, let's say at this point, for example, and when it comes to its peak, you just sell it. So basically you buy a cryptocurrency when it's at its lowest rate or at its lowest cost, and then you will sell it after a specific time when it reaches its peak, and hence you can achieve profit margin. And now let's see this in a real or a live experience. I will now use CoinMarketCap to show you how you can actually make money with arbitrage. So here we will just use the two ways, which are the simple arbitrage and the conversion arbitrage. So now let's go down and navigate through different cryptocurrencies. I will just go to the bottom of the page. So let's say, for example, I want to buy this ape coin. I will just click on it, and here it costs average cost of $1.71 per one ape coin. In order to buy this coin at its lowest price, you can just go to the different markets that offer this coin. Then you can click on price, and hence you will arrange these coins in descending order. Now I will go to the last page, and I will ignore all these results which have asterisks before them. I will find the first result which actually doesn't contain asterisks, and that's it. So here I will buy, let's say, one ape coin from Polonix, I think, which will cost me $1.602. Now I will go to the first page, and I will choose the first result which does not contain asterisks, which is ZipPay. And here I will sell it at the same time for $1.8798. So this will actually achieve a profit margin for me equivalent to $0.28 per one ape coin. So let's say I will buy ape coins with $1,000. So I will just divide 1,000 by its cost, which is $1.72. This is about $581. And then I will multiply this number by 0.28, which is my profit margin, which means that I will get $163 per each $1,000 invested. So this is insane. This is like a huge amount of money that you actually make for no effort and for nothing. You are just taking currency from one website and resell it to other website. And you of course you will need to do this on real time. There mustn't be any delay, because cryptocurrency is very volatile, and you may just buy it at a time and then its cost or its price drops at the second later. So you will need to do this at a real-time basis. So you will need, of course, to use bots. One of these bots that I really recommend using is Pionix. This is actually for free. It contains some plans. However, you've got this free plan that you can use, and it's actually amazing when it comes to buying and selling cryptocurrency in real time. Now, the second type of arbitrage that we talked about, which is the convergent arbitrage, you can achieve it just by choosing whichever coin you want, like ApeCoin, as we did before. Then you will need to just study the graph. When you see that its cost is actually dropping, you will wait for it to reach its lowest price, and once it begins to rise, you will buy your own ApeCoin. Then you will wait for it to ascend to its own peak, and once you find out that this peak will actually drop, you will have to sell it fast. And this means that you will have to wait for a time gap so that you can actually sell it after it reaches its peak price, and hence you can achieve margin. And this is how easy you can make money with crypto arbitrage. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you liked this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.